Hi everyone, this is Nicole with the Health and Wellness Lab at the University of Calgary. Today I am going to be demonstrating the band standing side kick for you. Before we begin though, I just want to make sure that you've taken a look at the disclaimer that's up on our website. And then if you have any other questions, you can always email us at ace@ucalgary.ca. Okay, onto the band side standing kick. So what I've done here is I've taken a long band, tied it in a knot, and then just anchored it on a stable surface, so something that's not going to move on you. With this one, you are going to insert your foot into the band and then find a nice stable stance. If you have a chair handy, you can use a chair to kind of help support yourself here. I want you to keep a soft bend in the knee. Feet are going to be pointing forward, and then you're kicking out to the side, engaging the glutes and the side of your leg. So the target muscle for this one is going to be our glute med, so hip stabilizer right at the top, and then working the full glute. So nice strong stance, core is engaged so that we're maintaining that nice upright position. Engage the glutes, kick straight to the side, control right back down, and then repeat. You're gonna go for about 30 seconds or maybe 10 to 15 reps one side, and then flip to the other side. You should feel that burn right here at the top of the hips. As you are doing this, I want you to make sure that your toe stays pointing forward, so it's not opening up to the side, because we wanna make sure we're targeting that glute med. If you do not have a longer band, you can use a little looped band as well. And then what you would be doing is using your other foot as the anchor. So same position here, core engaged, nice tall stance, slight bend in the knee, kicking out to the side, switching at the halfway mark. And then finally, if you don't have any equipment, you can still do this exercise and target that glute med by working on body weight. So same position, kicking out to the side here, control right back in. Try to not touch down in between. So my foot's not coming down to the ground, I'm kicking straight out before I repeat. Nothing is moving except that leg. So not bending over to the side as I kick out. Just kick that leg straight out, engage those glutes, control back down. And that is your band standing side kick.